Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So Chris on the right and Brandon on the left came over to help me get the rally coilovers swapped to the new lower mounts and installed. Chris is our other E36 Mafia member with the white car, and Brandon with the, what do you even call that color?
Multicolored.
Multicolored car.
You don't want to know.
So we also put the skid plate on so that we can take her off to Ecotech for some pretty serious cutting and welding. So thank you guys so much for helping while I'm all gimped up, and we'll probably join Anthony and Austin here in a minute, but
Later, yeah.
Yep, thank you guys so much for helping.
You're welcome. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so it's later in the night and we're here with Austin, who has a beautiful supercharged E36. He's also a member of the E36 Mafia, and he helped us carry the Porsche's hood up from the basement and kind of hanging out, and we're talking about some mistakes I made when I put the engine together. So yeah, but we got the car ready to go to Ecotech. So Austin, thank you so much for your help, man, and we'll see you guys next time. So we're here with Clint at the Auto Glass Depot, the only guy in St. Louis who can install a windshield on a Porsche 944. Clint, thank you so much. What was the greatest challenge with this windshield?
To install it.
Well, thank you so much, Clint, and we will see you for our next windshield.
Yes.
All right, so we're here with Jimmy at Ecotech, who is going to be working on our LS Swap car. He's going to be doing the strut towers, strut bar, exhaust, and skid plate. So what do you think is going to be your biggest challenge?
I think that skid plate.
Skid plate?
Yeah, I think that's going to be the fun one, just because, you know, taking into account with the exhaust and then also adding in that extra bar. And if we do want to add in the sides as well, it's going to be interesting, but it shouldn't be nothing but a thing.
Cool.
You know, everything just takes time and takes a second to figure out, but then once you get it figured out, you stick it together and she works out for you.
So Ecotech's the place to go if you got a rally car that needs built, so give Ecotech a shout up here in St. Louis. Thank you so much, Jimmy, for your help.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this time.